Okay, so this will be my last example on the topic about arc length and circular segment in area of a sector. And this is example number 4. Example number 5. It says, given isosceles triangle ABC with AC as the hypotenuse, a circle with center at A and radius AB intersects, a circle with center at A and radius AB intersects at AC at D. Okay? What is the ratio of the area of sector BAD to the area of the region BCD? So, ang alamin natin dito is ratio ng dalawang areas. Okay? Sabihin, ang word sa atin, ratio. Ratio na lang. So, ratio ng area ng sector, area of the sector BAD dun sa area of the region BCD. Okay? Yung ratio nun. So, kunin muna natin yung mga given values. Unang-una, isosceles triangle to. Actually, isosceles right triangle. So, pag isosceles right triangle, yung angle A natin, so yung triangle natin, the angle A, angle C, and this is 90 degrees. Ano? Kasi may hypotenuse. So, this hypotenuse, the angle opposite the hypotenuse is 90 degrees. So, therefore, angle A is 45 degrees. And angle C is also 45 degrees to make it equal to 180 degrees. And angle B is 90 degrees. So therefore, if angle A is 45 degrees, yung ating theta, which is the central angle, ito, is also 45 degrees. Okay? So the central angle of the sector is also 45 degrees. Yan. Now, we solve for the area of the sector, BAD. Yung sector natin, kapag ganito siya, okay, kunin natin to. This is this is BAD, yung BAD. Okay. Theta natin dito is 45 degrees. And that is pi over 4 in radian. Okay. Kunin natin ang kanyang area. Ang radius natin ay AB. Okay. Let us use R as the radius of the circle. So, R. So, area of the sector BAD is area of the sector BAD is 1/2 R squared theta. Theta is pi over 4. So, therefore, we have pi R squared over 8. Okay? So, yun yung area ng sector na si BAD. How about area of the region BCD? So, BCD. This detailed portion is the area of the region BCD. So, paano natin makuha yun? Area of the triangle minus area of the sector is the area of the region BCD. Okay? So, meron tayong area ng BAD, area ng BCD na lang. Okay? Area of BCD is equal to the area of the triangle minus area of the sector, BAD. Okay? Solving for area of the region BCD. Okay? Area ng BCD is area of the triangle. Anong area ng triangle? 1/2 base times height. So 1/2. Ang base natin ay BC. Ang height natin ay AB. Okay? minus area ng ating sector na si BAD. So, pi r squared over 8. But BC, itong BC na to, since we're talking about isosceles right triangle, itong itong BC is the same as the length ng ating AB. Kung AB natin ay R, therefore ang ating BC ay R din. Kasi sila ay isosceles right triangle. Two sides are equal. So we have 1/2 r squared minus pi r squared over 8. LCD is 8. So we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 4r squared minus, okay, hindi na kasya. So we have 8 here. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times r squared. So 4r squared minus pi r squared. So this is the area of the sector, the region BCD. Okay? 4 squared minus pi r squared over 8. Now, kunin na natin yung ratio. Okay? Anong ratio niya? Yung area ng sector na si BAD. Okay? Area ni sector na si BAD all over the ratio and area of the region BCD at the denominator. So the ratio is BAD is pi r squared all over BCD is this one 4 r squared minus pi r squared over we have pi r squared over 8 all over 4 r squared minus pi r squared over 8. We can cancel out 8 equals, so the ratio is pi r squared over 4r squared minus pi r squared. Also, we can factor out r squared. So we have pi r squared over r squared quantity r 4 minus pi. Pwede natin makancel yung r squared. So the ratio is pi over 4 minus pi. So yung ratio niya. So the ratio is pi over 4 minus pi. So that will be the end of the lesson about arc length, circular segment, and area base sector. So all of these videos are for the first week of, just for the second week of the second quarter. So thank you and goodbye.